Hello everyone, today we have a 2014 Ram 1500. Did leave the hood unlatched so I could take you for a tour of this beautiful engine. 5.7 liter Hemi. Thing will run and run and run. This one does have alloy wheels. It's a 4x4, dual exhaust, tow package. All right, I'll go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. It does have fabric seats. The center console folds up so that it can seat 6. Okay, here's your push to talk and your trip computer and other toggles for cruise control and such. Just come over here, you'll see that you have 66,560 miles on this vehicle. For that engine, it's just breaking it in. Let's see, here's your 2- and 4-wheel drive stereo. Okay, of which it does have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. So that wraps up your stereo. As you come down, here are your comfort controls, additional power supplies down here, glove compartment, cup holders, and in here there are additional power supplies and stowage. As you come up above, you're going to have your map reading lights. And that would about wrap it up for this Ram. Okay, this particular vehicle does have a branded title. It was in a hailstorm, so it will show that it has damage on multiple panels all the way around the truck. Obviously the airbags did not deploy. There's no structural damage, so we're able to get it all fixed up. It has passed a 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.